which we are covering today is incident reporting in an organization. So incident reporting, for that we have a prescribed format. What we report in these incidents are incidents related to our department, housekeeping. That can be NSI, needle-stick injury, it can be theft, it can be spill, whatever. How does this incident happen and how it can be prevented to, in order to compile that and study that, the incident report is being maintained. First of all, for incident reporting, the victim of the incident or the reportee of the incident is very important. His name is mentioned there, and accordingly the area of incident is mentioned, how the incident happened, that is mentioned, how it can be prevented, that is also mentioned. So these all things are there already in the prescribed format, so you have to fill the form wisely. पहली बात. उसके बाद है the incident shall be reported to quality department within 24 hours of the incident happened, and if the incident happened on Sunday or any holidays, then the incident should be reported to the manager on duty, and the manager of duty is responsible to inform to the quality, and the quality department is responsible for further investigating the incident, and they escalate it to the clinical or non-clinical administrators about the incident, and they ask the questions, they query from the respondent department. So this is the role of quality department, and this is how the incident reporting takes place. And after the closure of the incident with the respective department HOD and their administrator, that is being discussed in the safety committee meeting. So this is all about the incident reporting.